Hello, my dear young friends. Greetings of peace. Question and answer number 5, taken from the book titled Youth Catechism of the Catholic Church. Question: why do people deny that God exists if they can know Him by reason? Answer: to know the invisible God is a great challenge for human mind. Many are scared off by it. Another reason why some do not want to know God is because they would then have to change their life. Anyone who says that the question about God is meaningless because it cannot be answered is making things too easy for himself. God bless you.